Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bianca. Today I have some Farmhouse Dollar Tree DIYs for y'all. So let's go ahead and get started. For the first one, I'm making the home sign out of these 4 Dollar Tree canvases. I'm gonna remove everything from there, including the canvas from the staples. I'm taking these little pliers. I'm not really sure what these exact ones are called. I always use them, and it just helps me out to remove that canvas. And then I use my scissors to just cut off the rest of the little pieces from the staple so you don't see it on the opposite side. Once everything is removed from the frames, I'm going to turn them around and use this side, and then I'll be taking Golden Oak 210B to stain them. These little cans of stain go a really long way for crafts. I've been having this one and I've been using it for so many different crafts. I think I purchased this one at Walmart for around $5. So I'm going to go ahead and stain all 4 frames. I like to wipe them down with a paper towel because it dries faster that way. I really like that golden oak color. It's really pretty. Now what I'm going to do is take a Dollar Tree poster and I'm going to trace out a square with my frame. That way I can glue it to the back. So this is going to be my background. The posters are actually 69 cents at the Dollar Tree. Now I was originally looking for a poster board so I can have a more sturdy background, but they didn't have any, so I just went ahead and used this instead. So now I'm just going to glue it to the frame, and as you can see, I'm gluing it to the back where the staples are at. You can go ahead and follow my way like this, or you can go ahead and trace the words or the letters on the poster and then glue it. But honestly, I didn't have a problem tracing with the frame being in the way. It actually wasn't in the way at all. Since this is a Dollar Tree DIY, I always try to show y'all an easy way to get words like this if you don't have a Cricut or a printer. I don't have a Cricut, but I do have a printer and I could easily print that out from PicMonkey. You can just go on there and type in a letter and then change the size of the letter and then print that out. But I want to show you guys this way because this is also an easy way. It is a little time consuming, but it is so worth it. The sign came out really nice at the end. What I did was take a sign in my house that said home and I just traced it. And then once I cut that out, I am going to find the right placement on here and use my pencil and trace the letters on there, and then I will be painting them. I am using antique parchment from Apple Barrel. These are 50 cents at Walmart, and I'm going to be painting inside of the letter I traced. And I'm using these brushes from Dollar Tree. They have packs of brushes like this. So I'm taking a real flat one and painting the middle of that first, and then I will take a small one to do the edges. I'm using my hot glue gun to glue them together. Now for this one, you don't need to use a heavy duty glue because they are very lightweight. I'm talking about the frames. And also I'm going to be placing popsicle sticks on the back, so you don't have to worry, it's going to be very sturdy. For the next one, I'm going to be doing something with these little trinket boxes from Dollar Tree and this contact paper. I'm going to remove the small drawers inside first so I can apply the contact paper on the outside. There are lines in the back of the contact paper, so it was really easy to measure. And then once I do that, I'm going to cut a strip of it off so I can wrap the outside first. And guys, this might look hard, but it was super easy to do. You're also going to use an old card that you have to rub out any air bubbles. The inspiration for this one came from Pinterest. I seen some really nice wooden trinket boxes on there. Now real easily, I'm just gonna pull up a corner, and little by little, I will be pulling it and rubbing the card on there to take out any of the air bubbles. So this is the easiest way, so it's completely flat. So on the back, I just cut 4 slits on each corner and then flatten those down with the card. For the front of this box, I left more contact paper right here so I can cover up that pink, and I just made 6 slits, that way I can fold those inside. For the middle part of the box, I just cut a piece of contact paper, it's a very small piece, and then fold that on there. For the back, you can just measure off a little square, cut it out, and then place it again, rubbing out the air bubbles with your card. I'm taking a flat screwdriver to remove the pull, and then I will be painting the front of all of these drawers with my antique parchment. Once they all dried, I did a second coat. While those are drying, I went ahead and did the other 2 boxes off camera, and now I'm using my hot glue to glue them side by side. Now you can stack them on top of each other and glue them that way. You can glue them exactly how the picture off Pinterest was, that's also cute, but I wanted to do 3 side by side. Yesterday I picked up these wooden beads from Walmart. This is a pretty big pack and it was no more than $4. So now I'm just gonna figure out which one I want to use as a pull on top of the little drawers. For the last DIY, they just put out these garden fences at my Dollar Tree. These are a really cute design, so you can really do anything with these. And what I wanted to do was kind of make a little basket out of it and put some eucalyptus inside. So this is very simple. All I did was cut the bottom off with these stem cutters that I bought a long time ago from Hobby Lobby. Now that I cut off all 3, they have this little part on the side where you can put it together. I guess if you want to do like a long fence for a garden. So I just connected it to the opposite side. Just to give this a bottom, I'm using that same black poster board from earlier, and I just traced it as you just saw, and I'm going to cut that out and hot glue it to the bottom. If you do pick up a poster board, that would definitely be a better option as it would be more sturdy.
Lost outside of nowhere, a stormy rain tried to wash away the dream. Staff one, it says a worn out.
Lastly, I'm adding some Dollar Tree rope to hang it up in my living room. And I actually have two other decor pieces like this that do have rope so I can hang it, so that gave me the idea to use that. Wow, you guys, I really love this. They need to come out with something like this from Hobby Lobby. I don't think I've ever seen a basket like this, and I would definitely buy it. It's really, really pretty. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed all three of these DIYs. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys in the next one.